simplest thing where we cannot afford even to have an iota of doubt is in a right angle triangle like ABC, where B is angle of 90 degree and this C is angle theta, and AC, the length of this is hypotenuse is R. If this is R, then the length of BC with which R is making an angle theta, understand it, it is with this it is making an angle theta, so this side will be R cos theta and this side will be R sin theta. Opposite to theta will be R sin theta. You can also find this using sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular by base. We shall be using this in finding the heights of various points in a vertical circle. Let's see how. So over here we have a circle centered at O. Be it a horizontal circle or vertical circle, that does not matter because we are understanding circle. But if we visualize it as a vertical circle, then associating circular motion in a vertical plane with this circle will be much easier. So let's understand it as a vertical circle only. And over there, a horizontal line has been drawn which shows the reference level. So this is the reference level and D is almost at the reference level only. That is the height of D, the distance of point D from the reference level is 0. As you can see, if the radius of circle is R, it is R, then point C and point B, both of them, they are at a height is equal to R. Similarly, point A, because that is R plus R, 2R, that is diameter of the circle, so this is at a height 2R from the reference level. Now let's say we have a point over here. We call this as point E, and let's say this angle is theta. Now we are asked what is this height. Let's call it as H3. So we are asked what is the value of H3, that is height of E from the reference level. Now as you can see in this triangle, if we call it as OEX, if we take this as triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is R, and we have just done, if this is R, hypotenuse is R, then this side which is making angle theta, this will be R cos theta. So over here we see if we have to find this height is equal to from height from here to here minus this height. Height from here to here is radius only, radius of circle, and this is R cos theta. So H3 comes out to be R minus R cos theta. If instead of theta being an angle with the vertical, had it been given with the horizontal, then the things they will change slightly. Over there we shall be taking this as now a rectangle. So now this is R. Now this is not R. From here to here is R. Here to here is, this is hypotenuse. This total length of string from here to here is R. This angle is theta. This making an angle theta with this line. So this is going to be R cos theta. And this side is going to be R sin theta. If this is R sin theta, then this is also R sin theta. Then in that case, now this will not be there. What will be this? Then this H3, in that case, H3 is equal to R minus R sin theta. This is going to the value of H3. So in circular motion, in a vertical plane, always be clear that is theta is between which lines. So now this is good enough whether the point is here, here, or this. That is below this horizontal line, you can use this thing and you can get the answer. Now, if the point is above this level, that is above R, then what is the height of that point from this reference level? Now we are interested in this. Let's say now we have to find the height of F point from this reference level. This total height is R, from here to here is R, plus this thing. Let's call it as F and this call it as point Y. From here to here, this is length of the string, that is R, and this is alpha. So obviously this component or this side comes out to be r cos alpha, and the opposite side, that comes out to be r sin alpha. Let's call it as H4. So H4 is r plus r sin alpha, and this way we can find the height of various points from this reference level. We shall be using this concept to find the mechanical energy of the particle which is revolving in a vertical circle at various instances. Once we find the velocity or speed of the particle at various instances like A, B, C, D, etc., then from there our intention is to find centripetal force. Then once centripetal force is known, then from there we can find the value of tensions and other things.